Hello everyone, I'm just inside Dollar Tree and I'm looking for a couple cute boxes, and I notice here that they have the plain boxes, they have these. I think these might be too small for what I need, and I think these won't do. They're cute, but where are these from? I've never even seen them. That one is cute up here and I can decorate it. I wish that there were two in a pack. I think it's only one. Oh my gosh, almost passive aggressive. Oh goodness. I mean, I get the message, but it's a little bit negative the tone is a bit negative. No? That's beautiful. I like the colors in here, very moody. This is a fantastic find. You're going to pay so much more everywhere else. Michaels sells it, Amazon sells them, and they're pricey. These are adhesives. Oh, I've been searching for some pretty happy birthday ribbon in fabric like this. Now, I'd prefer it not be pink. Maybe something neutral like this. Oh, I wish that it was just like a simple happy birthday. Is there one out there? I feel like there is on a white background. Anyways, decisions to make here. They have quite a few wreaths. Oh, and these metal rings are wonderful. It's a 3-pack, so you'll pay a lot more somewhere else as well for them. I'm not sure if anyone's using them for DIYs. What are these? Oh, these were out last year. Some cute home decor. I bought one of these for my daughter. She was asking me for lights to string some photos, so I got to get some pictures developed as well for her to hang. This Dollar Tree is very well stocked. Mod Podge, they have the matte and the glossy, but look at all the wood that they have, and paints and canvases. So many wonderful things here to craft with. I am going to look for some yarn to go with one of these tools. So they have like the thicker, or the wider I should say, and then the narrower one. These are great. I love them as a kid. So I'm just going to pick some yarn to go with it. This is a pretty color. Neutral. I like this one. Have you seen some of the new prints that they have? Look at this. Woodland characters. They have some plaids out right now. Polka dots. And here's a great return. So this is glitter cardstock, but they're the small, I believe 6x6. But amazing, because these are not always available. I was actually looking for some not too long ago and they were completely out. I have some journaling cards, some pretty craft cards here with like the laser cut. Lots of beads. Oh, these are from the farmhouse line. Oh my goodness, baker's twine. This hasn't been available for a while either. So happy to see it back. Great for gift wrapping. And the pipe cleaners. And these are, what do you call them? Chenille? This is a new and exciting find because it has the little charm part in the top. So you can hook it on to, oh, these are glass, they're droppers. But you can hook this onto jewelry. Oh my gosh, so cute. You can put like a little snow and tree in there and then attach it to a ribbon. By the way, if you are a little girl or have a little girl, what are some of their favorite things right now? If you go to Dollar Tree, what do they gravitate towards? I'd say anywhere between the ages of 8 and 10. I'm putting together some packages. I think this is a new print this year. Does anyone have any reviews on these day in, day out brushes? I've never seen those in the plastic packaging. Some cosmetic mirrors, cute little flamingos, tropical prints. Oh, that's fun. I'll put them in your hair. So many beautiful headbands. I'm going to grab these actually and try them in my hair because some of you are saying it works really well, so I'll give it a try. Oh, these are cute. They're like a jelly. Oh, they're made by eye candy. Okay, I like this. I love the zipper. I love the texture. Very trendy. Let's take a look at some more of their hair accessories. Has anyone tried these in their hair? Do you find that it does a good job? Oh, I love these. You can use them in your paper crafting. The star is absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful. Hair charms. I've never seen any of these before. These are cute barrettes. You can use those as well for crafting. Anything that's kind of versatile. I like thinking outside the box. It's plushy. Love these scrunchies. Lots of different ones to choose from. Here's, looks like 2 pieces in a pack. Some nice fabric. And the velour look. How cute is this? It's a little bow. It's made by Scunsi. Feels nice. Oh, these are cute for Christmas. I haven't seen these before. It comes with a little cupcake, hair elastics, and the headband. Oh, and tattoos. I have not seen these either. So cute. Eye candy. These look like headbands as well, just the thin ones. They have the prints here, like a little bow. Very cute, very stretchy. And some LED bracelets. I guess they light up. Has anyone tried them? Do they work well? Some Peppa Pig. These would be so cute if you staged them for Christmas, the little houses. Staged straight up. Leave you with just a little simple DIY. I used some permanent vinyl. You can use heat transfer vinyl, of course, or even sublimation vinyl, I think. And I should have done this in a glitter, maybe like a gold glitter or even white. The red just didn't turn out the way I was expecting. You can still see it in real life. It looks cute, but it's not showing up so well on screen. And then I just pulled back some of the Cricut transfer tape. I hope this inspires you to customize some of the Dollar Tree goodies. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now. So I bought some of the decorative balls from Dollar Tree and I made baubles with them. So I share with you how I do that while I'm decorating the house a little bit. And yeah, have you decorated for Christmas, or are you decorating? Are you hosting Christmas this year? I hope that you enjoyed walking through with me. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.
What a feeling, now it's time. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. a carol